Hey, welcome to Mbali Mbali Tarangire River Lodge. This might be one of the lodges that you choose when you come on your safari to Tarangire National Park. This lodge is in a wonderful setting. It's just outside the park gates, not too far away, but from where you're staying, you can actually see into the park. It's nice because it comes with an amazing value, and each of the tents and accommodations overlook the beautiful Tarangire River, where you can see wildlife directly from your tent. So you might consider the Mbali Mbali Tarangire River camp when you come on your safari, but we're going to take you on a little bit of a tour of this wonderful camp so you can decide if this is the right place for you. Behind me is the Tarangire River. Now, what makes this interesting is this is a river caused by rainfall only. In April, May, sometimes into June, and as early as March, this area receives a lot of its annual rainfall, and this actually becomes a raging river. And it becomes a very important water source for the wildlife around. It makes an amazing setting for wildlife viewing. As you can see, there's a wonderful pool to relax here while you take a rest in between your game drives. There's a wonderful lounge and sitting area, and the food here is wonderful. So as you can see, many of the tents are located riverside, giving you a nice view of the Tarangire River area. And who knows, you might get some beautiful and exotic visitors walking through the camp and around the river below. Here's one of the rooms, one of the suites of the tents that you can see. They're very roomy, very enjoyable, and you are sure to enjoy it when you stay at the Mbali Mbali Tarangire River Lodge.